You just see me that going back and forth with only my 4 and only essential. You don't need anything else. Mika, hope you all feeling better. How are you doing? I didn't see it until now. Hope you don't fall and sleep on me. All right. Thin coat of the beige gels. And here for 10 seconds. And then this is the one I am going to use, blushing rose, number 56. Is that cool? Okay. Turn it off and do some video. I mean, not video. Turn it off. And then do some flashlights so you can all see that how it's cool it is. Give it a little shake. Lily, can you help Lily?
That's okay. You ready?
You need Lily? No.
So you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, hold this.
Why?
One light, see light, right?
I can't do it myself.
No, just shine on the top so you see the swatch.
No, turn it off.
Yeah, go.
Can't see it, baby. Here, hold this.
That's that. We got a lot of light going on.
It's okay. It's good. Oh, here.
Yeah,
there you go.
Oh, that is your light.
I tried to get it for everyone so you're going to see it.
Bring it up a bit.
You need to move your hand on that.
Yeah, you go do that.
No. Here. Up here.
Just only go so far. There you go.
What's
they just show you the nails.
Okay, here. Lily can help. Just give it a second. It's easy when you are...
Just...
Okay,
so
yeah.
You can see the tip. I can. See how shy that is? And when you see on her nails,
yeah. Okay, now painting. This is something else. All right. So ready to paint. I'm going to wipe it up on one end. And then we're going to do this. So gorgeous. It is so easy to apply with a brush. Continue doing the second one.
Yep, down a bit. Right there.
Here. Pick up the second one. Okay. Next one.
Right there.
Pick up more gel. And then we're gonna keep.
And that's only
first coat.
You can do second coat in a second.
This one for this one. Alright. How about that?
Yep, you go ahead and keep for 30 seconds, and we're gonna have our second coat. And that is the final product.
Down a little bit.
For on the other hand, there you go. You can bring it up just a bit. And yep, just spin that around for a little bit, so you can see all the sparkle on that one.
You have to see in person. It doesn't deliver to me when I see it under the camera. Look different.
It looks a lot better in person. All right.
Phoenix nails. Jess, what is the lines called? This is the Disco Flash Gels.
Yep.
It's Glitz Disco Flash Gels.
That's a tentative name for the set right now. And if you want to name the set and get the chance to win the set for yourself, go ahead and go to our social media and get in the naming giveaway.
The color I got in is number 56 and a blushing rose.
You can just see how really, really nice that is. Alright, and get to that second coat.
You know what? Even it without the flash light, it looks so gorgeous. I was getting one of this earlier and I was driving around when I got my break, and I said, oh, it's so gorgeous. It's so sparkle. So I'm go ahead and apply the second coat. That's where I'm at.
Right there.
All right.
Yep, move your nail down.
Pick the second one. And then next coat for the next nails. I'm going to show you some cool tip and tricks easy for this. So don't worry if you don't get it close to the cuticles or the both.
And there you go.
All right.
Alrighty. So we're going to go ahead
So hold on.
here.
So I'm going to show you some tip and trick. Okay, I didn't see this under the light. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and using the tinted brush on the precision line, I'm gonna go ahead and gently.
So you can use a very small tip brush like our precision brush right here, the twin tip brush, with a precision end that you can just help blend to make sure it covers your entire nail. Because sometimes you just have that one little line at the bottom, just doesn't fill, and this will help you take care of that nicely.
And then also on the end, we tend to leave a lot of gels on the end, on the tips, especially with glitter. So it's good to get like a little like precise brush. If you don't have a tinted brush, you can have the number 4, and I think number 2 or 3 is a light brush is work as well.
Bring your nail up just a bit. Like this, perfect.
And then continue doing. You don't even have to get a lot of gels out. It's already in there because we haven't cured yet. So I'm gonna just blend it because we tend to have a lot of gels right here in the tips. If you have you ever have like the little bit troubleshooting that when you are painting the clients, like after you're polishing the clients now, and then the tips of the nails, it looks really thick, like thicker than on the cuticles area. So this is going to be a great way to blend gently your glitter to make sure that they all stay nice and smooth. So it's not like big lump and thick on the tip of the nails. So it's blend nicely, and it covers really good on the cuticle, so it doesn't look like your cuticles, the client's cuticles, nails. It looks like 2 weeks growing out. So it's gonna definitely fill in all the gap that missing the glitter. And the glitter is really nice and solid. So you see that I did on the top of the clear tips, and it's basically is really covers really nice, and I absolutely pleased with that. So you don't even have to have the background colors. It has everything that you need if the clients just or yourself just want. Okay. And I'm gonna blend it in the tips. Happy with this? We are going to cure this beauty for 60 seconds phone cure. Good.
Yep.
Awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and cure. And we're gonna see the final results after I finish. We'll top coat the rest, and then we are going to do these really cute, simple crystal designs on my nails. So a lot of question asking for short nails. Here you go. You asked for it, we'll listen, and we are doing your short nails again for you, and we'll alternate with short nail and long nail. All right, ready? We're all going to Kia, okay? All right. Thank you, Lily. You like it? And it looks really good in person. Sometimes we have a lot of lighting. You have like 2-3 big spotlights right here, so then it looks like scabba, like a wash. No, actually it looks good under the camera though. Look.
Yeah, but you definitely want to give it the spotlight, sir.
Yeah.
Give it the center stage, give a spotlight on, and bring all the way for you.
This looks so good in person though. Like so flashy. And I'm using, this is a 6 colors. And also enjoying, have fun. And this is the newest Glitz Disco Flash Gels. This is just the alternative names. We want to keep it the names like that for you so you can have some ideas. However, we need help naming this collection. So may the best name win. And the post is right on our Instagram and Facebook. So please have fun and good luck. And the winners will be announced on the 28th of March. So make sure you can name so many names that you were thinking of. And if the best name got selecting and it have like more than just one, we are going to select the name that is named